It's hard to believe it's been 43 years. Back in '74, I was in a lot better shape. Attempted to become the first person to swim Lake Michigan from this side. Managed to get a little bit beyond the halfway point. Was extremely exhausted, very frustrated. I couldn't make it, so I had to swim back. But, I'm in training for this year. If you believe that, I do have my facility. So appreciate not laughing at the beginning. I was in good shape in '74. Just our life happened.
Down near the lake, yes, no room for mistakes, no. Indian friend was shot in the back by his Good to be good, yeah. Bad to be good now. Better open your eyes if you go down to the lake.
Day we woke up, we were all excited about the final day. We had a very long ride and we had a few activities planned along the way.
We were driving from Traverse City down to Grand Haven.
Our plan was to hug the coast of the lake as we were going down south.
Last day, we're gonna ride 200 miles to Grand Haven.
First stop we went to was we were in Arcadia at a place called Inspiration Point.
It was just a great place to take a break. There were all kinds of cars there and there were all kinds of bikes there.
Once again, it was really great to just be able to talk to these people about their hobbies and their passions with riding motorcycles and their interest in our trip and what we were doing.
I'd have to say that was one of the best views on the trip.
From Inspiration Point, we rode probably another hour or so.
We broke for lunch at the M22 diner. We were kind of reflecting on some of the highs, some of the lows, things we liked, things we didn't like. It was a good way for us to just sit down and just to hear everyone's different opinions about the trip.
It was bittersweet because it was a lot of days, but it sure felt like it went relatively quickly.
All right, so most dangerous drivers.
Drivers?
Drivers. Traverse City.
I think Traverse City.
Traverse City without a question.
Really?
Yeah. He almost died in Traverse City.
I think that was more situational than it was the driver's fault.
I'm so used to now that it doesn't matter where you ride in the road, that they're going to go all the way over to the other lane. But in Traverse City, it's like they only went over as much as they had to, which was close.
Yeah.
A couple times that was close.
Yeah, you're right.
Our next stop was about 2 hours away.
Given the opportunity, I bet you that we would win that trophy.
Well, I don't mind to slow down anymore. I don't mind the sound of my shoes on your floor. I don't mind selling out or playing a cover song. Just as long as friends and family sing along. Next to me, to by land, by air, by sea. And that is how it's supposed to be. Now, and that much I can see. Now.
Our next stop on the last day was Silver Lake.
This place is just a playground here, you know?
Yeah.
I mean, it's got rentals of everything. You see nothing but Jeeps with big flags because they're having fun on the beach, and ATVs and dune buggies. This place is pretty cool.
Bring on the activities.
We ended up going on a dune ride.
We went to Macwood Dune Rides, and we had this guy, Bob, who was our driver.
He's cracking jokes as he was driving us through the sand dunes.
It was just a fun thing to do on our last day.
Watch your hats. If you lose them, we're not allowed to stop unless you're in them. Look at each other very closely. It's the best for you to look all day. Just want to warn you. Call me the butcher. Used to drive a meat wagon. It's a whole lot easier. So here we go.
Before departing Silver Lake, we met up with some more scooter riders based out of the Grand Rapids area, and with them we made our final push to get back to Grand Haven.
We ended up going from Silver Lake down to Whitehall, and apparently every Friday they have some type of parade, and unfortunately we were not aware of that.
The road that we wanted to take was blocked off and would be for an unforeseen amount of time.
We talked to the camera crew and said, find us a new route. There wasn't a good route, and we wound up having to take about a 2-hour ride way to the east to get around.
It seemed like it was just about dark by the time we got to Grand Haven. I want to get back to normal. Drink a vodka gimlet, pass out.
That's normal.
That's my normal.
I couldn't express how happy I was to be back in Grand Haven. Oh man, we did it. We finished. Nobody got hurt. It really made the trip worth going on.
Dude, my butt cheeks are so sore. I can't even feel them. But I'm really happy that we finished. The trip was amazing. I just want to eat some food and pass out.
It was a great time. I'm so glad that I did it. I'm so glad that I had two guys to ride with that were definitely really positive the entire time. We're here in Grand Haven, where it all started 8 days ago. We took a 1,200-mile journey. The bikes did fairly well. So we had two that did very well and Long, who broke one. But you know, we had a great time and we are tired. We got more tired every single day, and now we're absolutely exhausted. Can't wait to get back home and sleep in a regular bed.
When I'm down and tired, I look up, think of my ancestors. Then I try so bad to keep my head right above the water. When I'm low and out, I look up, think of my ancestors. Then I try so bad to fulfill my day with a smile. Upset about the weather, upset about the rain, upset about a bus ride. See how they all add up to nothing. But when my eyes look up, I see your eyes look down, and I hear you whisper, 'cause you've got many complications. was thinking to leave.